Inspired by the past, looking to the future, we're checking out Music Hall's Classic, next on HiDEF Lifestyle. Hi, I'm Lane with HiDEF Lifestyle. If you're in the market for a quality, straight-out-of-the-box turntable, then look no further than the Music Hall Classic. Now, don't let the name fool you. While it takes its styling cues from the past, its construction is packed with today's modern tech. The Music Hall Classic is designed to appeal to a wide range of vinyl enthusiasts. With sound quality you would expect to find in most high-end turntables, but at an entry-level to mid-level price point. As you can see, it has a nostalgic or classic look with its dark walnut veneer finish, with an additional nod to the record players of the past in that it's a semi-automatic belt-driven turntable. For those who are unfamiliar with what semi-automatic means, when the record reaches its end, the tone arm will lift automatically and the platter will stop spinning. This is a great feature if you're new to vinyl, as it will prolong the life of your needles. The Classic is probably one of the most integratable turntables out there today. It features a built-in phono preamplifier, making it easy to connect directly to most current systems. While this feature is common in many entry-level turntables, what makes the Classic unique is that the phono amp can be turned off. By making the phono amp bypassable, you have the option of using any amp you may already have, or easily upgrade it if so desired. Music Hall has done everything it can to make the Classic as plug-and-play as possible. They provide everything you need for a basic setup, including their Spirit cartridge, which has been pre-mounted and precision-aligned. Also included are adjustable vibration dampening feet, uni-pivot tone arm, aluminum platter with felt mat, and a removable dust cover. Alright, I've told you about the Classic, now it's time to show you how to set it up. Once you carefully remove it and all its components from the package, and this is what you have left. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is take the turntable platter and set it very carefully on the spindle. And you want to have this window right here exposed to the motor there, so we can attach the belt. Okay, now Music Hall makes things nice and easy here. They provide this little piece of fabric here so you can very gently wrap it around the motor. It's already around the platter. Give it a little spin. Yep, make sure it spins freely, and we're good to go. Okay, once you're sure everything's moving easily, you take the platter mat and put that on top of the platter. As I mentioned before, Music Hall provides their Spirit cartridge already pre-mounted, so we're just going to carefully take the shell head, insert it, and then counterclockwise tighten it up. Next, we want to install the counterweight onto the tone arm. Just going to slide it on and then lightly twist it until you reach this white line. Alright, that will give you an effective tracking force of 2.0 grams. After the counterweight is set, now it's time to adjust the anti-skate. You want to adjust this to the same number as your stylus pressure, which in our case with the Spirit is 2 grams. Just set that to 2 and you're all set. Okay, and finally we have the dust cover. I think the easiest way is to install the 2 clips like so. And you slide the cover on. And our setup is complete. Okay, now that we have everything set up, let's get some sound out of this turntable. First, we want to install audio cables here. Red for red, white for white, and then the ground wire. There we go. Next, we're going to need some power, so you take DC cable, just install that, and press this button to power it on. Now this will power the unit, this will not start the turntable. Those controls are up in the front. And as you can also see in the back here, you can turn the auto stop on or off. As I said before, the Classic has a phono preamp. Turn it off and on right here. The Classic features touch-sensitive electronic speed control. Basically, you can start and stop with a touch of your finger. And remember, before you play anything, remove the needle cover. Just pull it straight back. All right, now we're finally ready to listen to this music. Just tap on the 33. There is a lock here. Make sure that's disengaged. The Music Hall Classic is just a great all-around turntable. With its solid construction, excellent sound quality, and reasonable price point, it can't help but appeal to vinyl lovers of all levels. If you're interested in the Classic, make sure you go to our website, HiDEFLifestyle.com.